To assemble your chair, start by installing the arms first. Take out the set screw on the arm and slide it into the bracket. Then insert the set screw back into the arm. Now we're ready to move on to the back. Take out the 3 screws on the back bar and position the back bar under the control. Line up the 3 holes and loosely insert all 3 screws. Then, tighten them all together. Make sure the back bar is flush against the control. If your chair has a lumbar support knob, position the knob behind the arm on the left side of the seat and align it with the provided holes. Then, screw in the self-tapping screw. Next, insert the cylinder into the control and slide the base on top of the cylinder. Then push in the 5 casters. And that's how you assemble your ECD chair.